dogs.
By fighting dogs in the streets. Only cowards do that.
Stop fighting the dogs.
So we taking matters in our own hands. You need to check yourself.
Stop fighting the dogs. Yo, you don't need to fight your pit bull, man, just to get a little bit of cash in your hands. You get him at 6 weeks, so all they know is you. They're cute as puppies, but bred to kill too. And they loyal to you, but it's a problem. Y'all training these dogs all wrong. Yes, you're weak-minded, plus weak with no heart. Only a fool would think dog fighting is cool. It's a blood sport that's violent, and we ain't smiling. Nah, this man's best friend, and they fighting to the death, so it ends in death. So that makes you a punk and a coward too. To watch man's best friend die for you, it only happens in your world is serious. I know the alliance is so furious. I know the alliance is so furious. Stop fighting the dogs.
You don't need to fight your pit bull.